Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to get rid of a section or strip from your Wix website, but weren't quite sure how to do it without messing up your page, today's tutorial is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll feel totally confident in removing any strip you don't need, cleaning up your website's look, and making sure your design is truly reflecting your vision. Alright, let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is go to your Wix website design. So open up your internet browser and log into your Wix account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, head over to the site you're working on and launch the Wix editor. Now, this is the part of Wix where all your site's elements live. Think of it like the backstage area of a theater, where you can tweak and arrange everything before anyone sees it. If you ever get lost, remember, you can always access the editor directly from your Wix dashboard just by hitting Edit Site. Give it a moment to load. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a few seconds. Next up, let's focus on actually selecting the strip you want to delete. On your page, strips are those wide horizontal sections that can hold anything from images, text, videos, or even contact forms. Maybe you've got an old testimonial strip hanging around or a section from a past sale that's no longer needed. All you have to do is move your mouse over the strip until the blue outline appears around it. This is Wix's way of telling you, hey, you've got the right spot. Once you see that outline, left-click on the strip. You'll know it's selected because little handles or a toolbar may pop up, showing you're ready to make changes. Don't worry if you accidentally click something else. It's easy to deselect and try again. Take your time here, there's no rush. Now comes the simplest but also the most satisfying part, deleting the strip. With the strip selected, just tap the delete key on your keyboard, that's it. You'll see the strip vanish almost instantly from your design. If you're working on a laptop and you don't see a delete key, look for a backspace key, it works the same way. And here's the good news. If you accidentally remove the wrong strip or second-guess yourself, there's a very handy undo button at the top of the editor. Just like that, you can bring anything back, so don't stress. Wix makes it safe to experiment. And really, that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can keep your website clean, organized, and focused on the content that matters most to you and your visitors. Strips are a fantastic way to add structure, but getting rid of ones you no longer need helps your site look professional and uncluttered, which can make a huge difference to how your site feels. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments, especially if you have any lingering questions about working with Wix, or if there's another feature you'd like me to walk you through. And if you want more step-by-step guides just like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.